It's not uncommon that a person comes to me and says, should I rent out my home or should I sell it? Hi, my name is Pierre. I'm a local licensed realtor in 2 states, and I'm also an investor. And I created this channel to answer your questions about real estate and give you free, powerful real estate advice that will help you in your life and in your journey. And today I want to talk to you about rent or sell. What are the reasons you might want to rent your house out versus selling it and moving on? And I'm going to share this with you, not just from my experience with others, but my own personal experience and advice. Hey, before we go any further, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel so you continue to get awesome content from me and my years of knowledge and wisdom that I'm giving to you free on the internet. Come on, you gotta do it right now. Like, subscribe, wherever that button is, and let's dive into it. Don't wait. Here we go. Here are the top 3 reasons to sell your home. When you sell your home, you get access to the equity in your home. See, otherwise, your equity is kind of stuck inside the home. And by equity, what do I mean? It is the amount that you currently own personally in your home, which is the house value minus any debt that you hold is your equity. Now, there are ways to pull that equity out through a home equity line of credit, but even in those cases, you're only going to be able to get about 80%, maybe in some cases 90% of the value of your home. When you sell your home, you get the entirety of that equity, and you can put that as a down payment, or even sometimes people can pay off that next home entirely using that money. So you get more equity, you get more cash in hand. And that is just such a helpful thing when you're thinking about moving on. Maybe you're doing an upgrade, you're buying a more expensive house, or a lot of people that I'm working with now, they're doing a downgrade. They're buying a smaller house and they're able to sell their home and pay for the next one cash. So reason number 1 to sell, big chunk load of money coming your way, and you can use that equity for your purposes. This one is one you really have to think through when you weigh the pros and cons of whether or not you want to continue to rent. If you sell your home, you avoid all the stress of being a landlord. And what does that stress include? Well, number 1 stress is tenants, and the number 2 stress is repairs. If you have a second home, you're going to have to take care of that too. And those repairs require expenses if you're not a handy person or require your time. So you have to consider, do I want to deal with tenant headaches? Do I want to deal with leases? Do I want to deal with issues in the middle of the night? Do I want to deal with property management? Do I want to deal with unexpected costs? These are things you have to weigh out. Do I want this burden in this season of my life? The home no longer fits your goals or your life. You might be moving into another part of the country, or you might be in a season of life where you're retiring. You don't want the headache of another job, of another home, and you're downsizing, relocating, or there's just not enough room. Maybe you're just a busy person, you got a family, you got a job, and you're trying to do your best with your time, and you don't want to spend your time on another home. So the top 3 reasons to sell are, number 1, you get access to your equity. Number 2, you avoid the stress of being a landlord and taking care of another house. And number 3, it just doesn't fit your life goals or your financial goals anymore. Now, let's dive into the top 3 reasons to rent your house out. Renting your house out can be a long-term wealth building strategy. Now, let me tell you my story. How I got into real estate is very interesting. My wife and I were raising our 3 kids in a very small ranch home in Levittown, Pennsylvania, if any of you ever heard of it. And it's a small home type of community, bunch of ranch homes built after the Second World War. There's a couple Levittowns in New York, in Pennsylvania, in Florida. I digress. In any case, we were outgrowing our house, and so we needed a new home. I was fortunate enough at one point to take a home equity line of credit on my home with the thought, well, maybe I'll just rehab this house. Well, that didn't work out, and I ended up finding a short sale home, and I bought a new home, and I used a home equity line of credit from my first home as a down payment for my new home, which is where I am right now. This is it. So I kept the first home because at the time we weren't sure if the deal was going to go through. It was a short sale. My wife said, well, I don't really want to be homeless. It's a good idea. And so we kept that home. And in one day I became an owner of a home and I became a landlord. Maybe not on the same day, but you get the idea. And now that home that I bought for $170,000 initially is worth somewhere in the 400s. So I built wealth over time and was able to use the equity in that home to buy other homes. So it's a great wealth building strategy. You get to keep your low interest rate. Some of you are holding on to like a 3% interest rate, 4% interest rate. Some are even the 2s, 2.99. Crazy. You're not getting that again. And you have a very low payment on a monthly basis. So you could use that home and still make profit, be cash flow positive by renting it out. And so if you're in that fortunate opportunity with a very low mortgage or a very low monthly payment, it might behoove you financially to make some extra coin by renting it out. it provides flexibility for the future. Who knows? Maybe you want to move back in that house. Maybe if you have kids, you want to give that house to one of your kids or gift it to them. There's options and opportunities if you keep a hold of that house. So those are my top 3 reasons today that I want to share with you. Remember, here they are. Reasons to sell: access to equity, avoid being a landlord, and the home no longer fits your needs. And the 3 reasons to rent out are building long-term wealth, keeping a low interest rate that you have, and also flexibility with that home for future use. Hey, if you'd like further real estate advice personally about your own situation, feel free to reach out to me, but be sure today to like and subscribe to this channel because I know I can help you along your journey. And also feel free to comment if there's any videos you'd like or information you'd like or questions you have. I have been in real estate long enough that I've seen a lot and can help you. I haven't seen everything, but I've seen a lot, and I can definitely help you on your journey. Hey, thanks so much for tuning in today and watching. Take care and God bless.